Another day, a new V series device. In today's video, we're checking out the newly released Vivo V60. Good day, you beautiful people. As I've said in today's video, we're taking our first look at this phone. Time flies because we're already at V60 now, and I feel like it was just yesterday when we unboxed the V50. Anyway, our first look, what's new, what can this phone do, all that plus a camera tour and some sample shots coming up. But first, let's unbox. So what should we be excited about with this phone? First of all, that's a really nice berry color. But aside from that, this phone features a 50 megapixel main shooter with OIS, also a 50 megapixel zoom camera, and a 50 megapixel selfie camera, and Vivo claims that you can do 4K shooting with the rear and the front cameras. Of course, more on the cameras later when we do the camera tour. But aside from that, this thing's powered by a Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chip, and despite being sleek, this phone features a 6,500 milliamp hour battery. Of course, Vivo didn't leave out AI features either, which we'll also be talking about a little later on in this video. Before anything else, now let's take a closer look at this phone. I'm actually digging this color. That is a nice matte back. You of course have your 3 cameras, and that I feel like is aura lighting, although we'll double check on the camera tour. Now this is a sleek phone. Considering that it has 6,500 milliamp hour battery, I mean, nice. Oh, there you go, I accidentally pressed it. Now up front, you have your camera cutout, and that screen, it's like slightly curved all around, just to give you that better in-hand feel. But it's like, it's not really curved, you get what I mean? Let me explain. Like, the edges are curved on the sides, but it's not necessarily a curved screen. I hope you got that. Anyway, on the side, you get a volume rocker and unlock button. At the bottom, you get your speakers, USB-C port, your SIM tray, and then that's a clean side and top. I mean, these V series phones have always been like very sleek with nice colors, so I'm not disappointed this year. So of course, like most phones in the market now, this phone does utilize AI when you shoot your photos. But aside from that, the Vivo V60 has other fun AI features. For example, you have AI Erase to delete unwanteds in your photos. You have AI Magic Move, which allows you to move things in the photo you took. There's also AI Image Enhancer and AI Photo Enhance. Right, let's move on to the camera tour. Right, camera tour time. So we have wide 1x, 2x, 3x, 10x up until 100 times zoom. Back to wide. Now that also stands for 23, 46, 73, and 243 millimeters. You have your basic styles here, so you can switch them around, and you can also adjust intensity. Up top, you have Google Lens. You also have, of course, your aura lighting. Let's turn it on. You can see how that changes. You can change the temperature of the light. You can change intensity as well. Always really cool. You can do aura light, flash auto, flash on or off. You have more settings here. On video, you can do wide, 1x, 2x, 3x, up until 15x. and you have aura lighting as well on video. You have your stabilization, and you can also shoot 4K. Well, default resolution is at 30 FPS, but on 4K you can only do 1x, 2x, 3x, up until 15x, and then back to 1x. Put this on 1080p 30 FPS. So these are the resolutions. You can do front and back, and yes, front can still do 4K 30 FPS as well. Here you have a beauty mode. We're doing none. You also have different filters for video as well. You have a micro movie mode. What is this? Wait, what did I do? No, tap to end shooting. Okay, so you get templates that it'll edit for you. Nice. You have more, which gives you high resolution mode, pano, HD document, slow-mo, time-lapse, supermoon, astro mode. You get a pro mode. As you can see, you can do wide, standard, telephoto, and you can zoom up until 10x. And of course, you have all the different options here. You can also shoot raw. Nice. You also get snapshot, food, underwater photography. Okay, there is a warning, of course. Let's see. Got it. So they lock the phone, and there are different settings: take photo, record video, turn off screen. That's pretty cool. Tap and hold to exit. And a water eject function. That's nice. And then you also have, of course, your dual view mode. Ooh. Now, on the other side, you get portrait. You can do 23, 35, 50, 85, 100 millimeters. You can do that with aura lighting. And then you have your Zeiss filters, which are always nice on Vivo phones. You have your beauty filters. Turning that off, you get, again, more filters. Well, they're basically like film simulations at this point. And then you have portrait lens kits. This should look really cool, like out and about, so you can see the different looks it's gonna give you and what scene it's best for. And then you have night mode, which you can do wide, 1x, 2x, 3x, 10x, up until 100x. And then back to wide. Of course, you get different filters for the night mode. You get, what is this? Panorama night mode, aura lighting, what's this? Super moon mode, and astrophotography mode. Now, we have the selfie mode on night mode. Turning off the beauty mode, you have wide, 1x, 2x, up until 2x. You get, beauty effect, none. Use none. You have a selfie portrait mode, which can do wide, 1x, 2x, well, up until 2x. There's aura screen light. There's an automatic flash, and well, you can turn it off. You get your different size bokehs, beauty mode, and then your different filters. Under photo, you can do the same. Wide, 1x, 2x, and then some filters as well. Switched the filter. And then on video, you can do 4K, and then there's also a steady face mode, although that does revert to 1080p. And then we're back to micro mode. Now, let's show you some samples. That was our first look at the Vivo V60. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what other videos you'd want to see me test out with this phone. If you want to see me do a camera vlog test or social media test, comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's IsaDoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.